माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of Shri Chand Ram, a former member of this House, on the 15th of June 2015 at the age of 92 years. Born in June 1923 at Kharkhar in Rohtak district in Haryana, Shri Chand Ram was educated at the Punjab University, Lahore and Delhi University. An agriculturist, journalist and economist, Shri Chand Ram launched Satyagraha in 1947 for restoration of agricultural lands to the farmers. He was a crusader for social reforms. He was also actively involved in welfare activities for the weaker and oppressed classes of society and for the promotion of adult education. Shri Chand Ram started his legislative career as a member of the Punjab Legislative Assembly in 1952 and was a member of that assembly from 1952 to 1957 and again from 1962 to 1966. He served as Deputy Minister for Panchayat and Welfare from 1956 to 1957, as a Minister of State holding the same portfolio in 1962, and as Cabinet Minister from 1965 to 1966 in the Government of Punjab. He was also a member of the Punjab Legislative Council from 1958 to 1962 and served as the Deputy Chairman of the Council during that period. Shri Chand Ram was also a member of the Haryana Legislative Assembly from 1966 to 1967 and again from 1968 to 1977. He served as Deputy Chief Minister of Haryana from 1966 to 1967. He was also a member of the 6th and the 9th Lok Sabha and served as Minister of State in the Ministry of Shipping and Transport in the Union Council of Ministers from August 1977 to July 1979. Shri Chand Ram represented the state of Haryana in this House from March 1983 to April 1984. In the passing away of Shri Chand Ram, the country has lost a distinguished parliamentarian, an able administrator, and a dedicated social worker. We deeply mourn the passing away of Shri Chand Ram. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of the departed. Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved family our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. Papers to be laid on the table. Dr. Jitendra Singh.
Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
श्री कृष्ण पाल।
मैं आज कार्यवाही की सूची में क्रम संख्या 2 पर अपने नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को संसद के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्री विजय सांबला।
आदरणीय सभापति जी, आज की कार्यसूची मत संख्या नंबर 3 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष दस्तावेजों को सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
मैसेज फ्रॉम लोक सभा सेक्रेटरी जनरल।
I beg to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 22nd of July 2015 adopted a motion extending the time for presentation of the report of the Joint Parliamentary Committee on the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement amendment, second bill 2015 up to the first day of the third week of the current session of Parliament, monsoon session 2015.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests. Sri Ashwini Kumar.
Sir, I beg to present the following reports in English and Hindi of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests. 265th report on reported forecast of a major earthquake in Uttarakhand. 266th report on e-waste and e-radiation. And 267th report on unprecedented floods in Srinagar and warning and forecasting of floods and environmental issues in Leh, Jammu and Pathankot.
Motion for election to the National Jute Board. Sri Santosh Kumar Gangwar.
धन्यवाद श्रीमान, मैं आपकी अनुमति से निम्नलिखित प्रस्ताव प्रस्तुत करने की अनुमति चाहता हूं कि राष्ट्रीय पटसन बोर्ड नियमावली 2010 के नियम 5 के साथ पठित राष्ट्रीय पटसन बोर्ड अधिनियम 2008-2009 का अधिनियम संख्या 12 की धारा 3 की उपधारा 4 के खंड खा के अनुसरण में ये सभा उस रीति से जैसा माननीय सभापति निर्देश दें, सभा के सदस्यों में से एक सदस्य को राष्ट्रीय पटसन बोर्ड का सदस्य होने के लिए निर्वाचित करने की कार्रवाई करें।
Motion moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Motion is adopted. Now matter is read with permission of the chair.
Notice, and I have also given
No, the point is,
my notice to move a motion.
let me,
Before I bring that,
allow me to say. Let me have something. Let me have something.
sir,
All of you sit down. All of you sit down. Let me say something.
कई नोटिसेस का फोटोकॉपी करा
Let me say something. All of you sit down. Let me say something.
अरे भाई डेट बदल के
All of you sit down.
before I say that,
I am requesting every member to sit down.
for my notice,
उसकी फोटो स्टेट करा रखी है।
Yes. No. I am requesting every member. Please order. Please order.
तैयार है हमारे नेता बोलते
Order.
कि हम किसी विषय पर अभी चर्चा करें, अभी शुरू करें चर्चा, हम तैयार हैं। स्टार्ट जस्टर। चर्चा से क्यों भागते हैं सर?
Hariman Rao, go
आज
back.
अंग्रेजी ठीक है, आज अंग्रेजी ठीक है।
Hariman Rao, please. Hariman Rao, please. Go back. Don't do that. Don't display. Hariman Rao, don't display poster. Hariman Rao, please. Mr. Hariman Rao. Mr. Hariman Rao, please. Don't do that. Don't do that. Please. See, now honorable members, please listen to me also. Please, बैठे, अतवाले जी, please listen to me also. I have also a right to speak as you have the right. See, let me say, sir, because I am at a loss to understand why this futile exercise. Because the other day there were some notices under Law 267 for suspension of the question hour. No, sorry, the business of the day. Now, why we suspend the business of a day? To discuss a subject which House considered to be important. Let me please, this House considered to be important. And I heard both sides, and I said, I am permitting the discussion, but the discussion did not happen. Yesterday also, the same thing. I said there can be discussion. Government also said there can be discussion. You also wanted there should be discussion. Yes, I will correct it.
सर ये चेयर को चैलेंज कर रहे हैं, चेयर के डिसीजन को चैलेंज कर रहे हैं।
Let me say.
डिस्कशन नहीं करना है, आप डिस्कशन
डिस्कशन मत करो, लेकिन ये बात नहीं अलाउ करेंगे। रोज
Okay.
आप स्टेट बना
All
करके
right.
एक ही नोटिस को
Now,
रोज
please.
रिपीट करेंगे तो
Now,
नहीं चलेगा।
please. Let me. Let me complete. Honorable Minister, let me complete. Let me complete. No, please take yours. See, let me. I will allow. I am not. No, please. No, please. See, no, please.
इस्तीफा मांगने की आशा निराशा में बदलेगी। आपकी इस्तीफा मांगने की आशा निराशा में बदलेगी। आपको इसमें बिल्कुल निराशा
Don't allow
होगी।
me.
आप चिंता मत करिए, कोई इस्तीफा नहीं देगा। चर्चा करना है चर्चा करिए, डिबेट करिए, डिस्कशन करिए, नो रेजिग्नेशन, नो इस्तीफा।
I have not completed. I have not completed what I said.
You have represented your case. You have represented your case on the notices given to you from the first day. What is on record? What is on record?
I will
No,
say
no,
that.
sir, please
Let me
listen.
complete that.
On the record on the first day, I have said a discussion without an action on this issue. We had discussion without an action on this issue.
That's what I want to say.
So it is wrong to say we have agreed for a discussion.
I will
A
correct.
discussion
Let me
can
correct.
only
Let me
only
complete it.
be preceded by an action.
You allow me to complete what I have to say.
So that is on
No.
record, sir. That is on
You allow
record.
me to complete what I have
So
to
it
say.
is not-
That's what I have. You allow me to complete. जो मेरे को बोलना है, आप लोग बैठिए, बैठिए। जो मेरे को बोलना है, बोलने दीजिए। बैठिए। See, allow Javadekar, please. Mr. Javadekar, please. Mr. Javadekar, please. Sit down. Let me complete. Sit down. You are a minister. You are a minister. Sit down. No, minister. Arey, you go back. No, let me complete what I have to say. See, you are not allowing me to complete what I have. Minister, sit down. Javadekar, please sit down. आप लोग बैठिए. See what I am saying. Now, Balgobal, what I am saying is that, see, I know yesterday the motion was for a discussion with the caveat. I know that. With the, yes, now, let me say, with a condition. Let me complete. Yes, I agree with you. I am not disagreeing. But what I am saying, no, let me complete. What I am only saying is that yesterday, yes, you want discussion, but after with a condition. The condition that some minister should resign. My point is that, see, my point is that your condition, your caveat is something which I cannot implement. Now let me say, I have nothing to do with that. Let me say, let me complete. No, let me come. No, you allow me to complete what I would say. I have to make. See, you sit down. Pramod, you sit down. Sit down. Now, what I am saying, see, what I am saying, the first day notice, I told about it. Second day, I know. Your notice was different, I know that. But that condition, yes, that I know. But that condition is not within my powers to implement. Let me say, therefore, I can only take note of the second part which I can implement. That is discussion. Let me say. No, let me say. I will allow you. I will call you. I will allow you. I will allow both of you, but let me complete. Sit down. Let me complete. Why don't you allow me? Pramod, I will allow you. Sit down.
Sir, point of order.
Let me complete. After I complete. Let me finish it. I will allow you after I finish. No point of order when the chair is speaking. No point of order when the chair himself is speaking. Now see, yes, what I am saying is, I agree. You had yesterday given the motion with that condition. I know that condition. But what I am saying, therefore, that motion has two parts, the conditional part and the operative part. And as far as I am concerned, the first part is something which the government has to consider, not me. For me, let me complete. No. For me, the second part, that is operative on my part. That is discussion for which I am ready. And If the discussion is not happening, what is the point of spending this time? What is the point of this futile exercise? That's all what I am asking. Yeah. What is the point?
Order.
Yes. Point of order.
Point of order.
After-
Point of order.
I will allow you, but point of order I have to
Speak
allow.
after my point of
I will
order.
allow you, but I have to allow the point of order. You know the rules.
Sir, my point of order
After
is.
point, I will allow you. Point of order. under
My
what?
point of order is.
Yeah. No,
My point of order is.
let me allow. Point of order I have to allow. You know that. That is correct. But point of order is point of order. I have to allow. What is your point of order?
My point of order is that the chair has just now said that there is a motion with a caveat and a condition that the ministers must resign. Mr. Anand Sharma's motion today is without that condition or caveat. He simply wants a discussion without a resignation. Please read his motion today. His motion today does not say that the ministers must resign. Therefore, your ruling will require an amendment because today that condition has been withdrawn.
No.
Anand Sharma's motion.
Let me
today-
dispose on the point of order.
And therefore, there must be a discussion.
It's a valid point.
His motion should be accepted.
Let me dispose of it.
Discussion starts.
Actually, I will call you. I will allow you. Actually, I will allow you. Now, see, the notice by Sri Anand Sharma for today, 23rd July. Now, listen, that.
That notice has been given to you.
Huh.
How did it reach the leader of the house?
No.
They breach of privilege on this house. There is a breach of privilege.
Their government will have.
Sir, we give notices to you as the chair. How did it go to the leader of the house?
Sitaram Yachuri is an old member. Every notice given to the chair, a copy is given to the government. Sita, please educate yourself on procedures.
What we write to you in confidence as the chair, you cannot share with any other member. That is a breach of my privilege.
Please, a copy is always given to the government. Please educate yourself on the procedures. Your notice nowhere mentions discussion with resignation. Please start drafting your notices properly.
See, no, see, no. Yachuri ji, Yachuri ji, please, Mr.
Please answer that question.
Please, Mr. Yachuri,
You
see,
please answer that question.
see, the note, see,
Sir, please answer that question. How did it go to the leader of the
no,
house?
that parliamentary, it can go to the parliamentary affairs minister.
Sorry, a member of
Will be given the notice,
Cabinet
copy.
is not so literate on parliamentary practices.
How did it go to the finance minister?
No.
How did it go
It will go to parliamentary affairs minister.
The House gives it to us. The Secretariat gives it
It
to
will go
us.
to parliamentary affairs minister.
the breach of privilege? I'm sorry to say you are party to a breach of privilege and this cannot
That
be
you
allowed.
can do.
No, sir, you cannot allow this.
No.
How can you allow this?
सर कोई भी नोटिस
No,
आती
please.
है
Anyhow,
वो पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर
no.
मिनिस्ट्री
If
के
if
पास
you
आती
want to
है।
move a
ये
privilege
सिस्टम
motion, you do
हमारा
that.
नहीं है, हमारे
You do
उसमें
that.
नहीं है।
Beseeching
ये
you.
I cannot give
से भी
a
है।
direction now.
कोई भी नोटिस होगी
I cannot give a decision now.
और संसदीय कार्य मंत्रालय के पास आएगी
I cannot give a decision now on the point you raised.
सिस्टम भी है इसमें कोई नई चीज नहीं है
No, that's what. But the notice is with me in any case. No. See, Mr. Yachuri,
Point of order.
Mr. Yachuri, in any case, no, I got it. Mr. Yachuri, in any case, the notice is with me. Let me say.
That is fine. You
No,
can't
I
take-
agree.
you can't take
No,
cognizance of
if
that
you want to
point of
raise,
order.
no, if you want to raise a privilege issue, then, no, let me complete. No, let me reply to him. No, here is a point of, I will allow you. Why all of you standing?
Sir, I am asking a, sir,
First, all of you go and take your seat.
I am asking
You ask them to go to the seat.
Sir, I am asking a more fundamental
I will
question.
reply to you.
How are you taking that point of order into cognizance?
I will come to you.
You cannot take
I
the
will
point of
reply to
order
you.
into cognizance.
But all of you kindly go and take the seat. You go to your seat. Congress members should go to your seat. Anand Sharma, I will allow you, but you ask your members to take the seat. You want to disturb and you want to speak. Anand Sharma, you want to, no. You want both. It cannot be. It cannot be. You, no. No, I will come.
No point of order now. In the secretariat. Mr. Yachuri has made.
No, please.
The notice is mine. Mr. Yachuri.
No, see.
The leader of the house.
A point of order has to be allowed.
To which I was not allowed to respond to.
Yes, you will be allowed. No, I will allow you.
It is in today's parliamentary papers. Before another point of order is raised by the leader of the house.
Yes, sir,
I
I
have the
will-
right as a member, and I seek the protection of the chair.
Sir, I will allow you also.
Yachuri has almost charged the secretariat. Let us read the rules in this regard.
Since
Before
it-
he is allowed a second opportunity.
Anand Sharma,
It is most unfair.
since it is your notice, I will allow you also. But let me listen to him.
please read
Point
Rule
of order.
224.
Why don't you allow that?
Points of order are being raised without a member who is moving the motion.
Sir,
being
read
given
Rule
an
223 and
opportunity
224.
To respond to the leader of the house.
Rule 223 says,
What he had said
every
yesterday.
notice required by the rule shall be given in writing addressed to the Secretary General. Rule 224 says, the Secretary General shall make every effort to circulate to each member a copy of every notice or other paper which these rules require to be made available for the use of members. Every member has a right to get the notice. Mr. Yachuri's illiteracy of the rules does not make a valid ground for making such a charge. Now listen.
सर इनको आराम की जरूरत है बिना होमवर्क के ये आ रहे हैं
I will have to adjourn.
हाँ आकार करने वाला यही होता है बिना होमवर्क के आकार इनको बिल्कुल का नियम मालूम न चर्चा करनी है हाँ आकार करना है इनका जो है वो इसी वजह से ये हाल हो रहा है इनको छुट्टी की जरूरत है
No.
इनको आराम करने की
Sri-
होमवर्क कर सकते
Sri Yachuri and Anand Sharma, first let me react to the point of order, then I will call you. Then I will call you. Then I will call Anand Sharma. But why don't you see? Anand Sharma, I will call you. But let me react to him. Yes, I will call you. I will call you.
Before you give the ruling.
Sir, you are disallowing points of order.
Before you give the
You
ruling.
are allowing points of disorder. You are allowing points of disorder.
Yes, before giving a decision, I will allow
You
you.
are allowing points of disorder,
Okay.
but not points of order.
Before giving a decision, I will allow you.
How are you not allowing points of order? How are you allowing points of disorder?
Sir,
How are you allowing points of disorder?
I will have to adjourn the house.
sir,
I will have to
no
adjourn.
point of order. There is no point of order.
I will have to adjourn the house.
Sir, एक मिनट सीधा आप चुप करो. Sir, please. Let me, sir, now.
I will have to adjourn the house.
Unfair. It is unfair. Yesterday also I was not allowed to respond to the leader of the house. Today again I am being prevented. Leader of the house has raised something. He should know.
I will have to
He
adjourn
should
the house.
know.
Okay.
He should know.
I will adjourn. I have no other go.
You don't have to give a notice a day ahead.
I will have to adjourn.
have to
If
give
you
it
all
the
of you
same
see,
day. He is wrong.
if honorable members do not take their seat
It's a
and
fallacious
do not bring order in the house, I will adjourn.
misrepresentation
I will have
of
no
the
other way. I have no other way than to adjourn. House is adjourned up to 12:00 hours. 12:00 hours.